I'm gone. Years slipped away. You're not the same now. We're not the same. Nothing's the same since building castles in the rain. Pictures on walls, handprints on sidewalks. Had we known then how things would turn out, how we'd both change, nothing's the same since building castles in the rain. And you're a part of me, a branch on my tree, the kind of person I wanted to be. But now I see, gone are our days, building castles in the rain. Once we'd both dreamed of when we would grow up, the world at our feet, nothing could stop us. We didn't know then what growing would cost us. Standing beside you, we're worlds apart. I cannot reach you, can't change your heart. Do you remember? Do you too feel pain when you see our castles crumbling in the rain? And you're a part of me, a branch on my tree, the kind of person I wanted to be. But now I see, gone are our days, building castles in the rain. To fall, and I don't know how to fix what's so